Look at this. There are 6,128 members in my trading group, and we're killing it. Got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. Right now, if you go to the website, cryptorev.net, pay with cryptocurrency, you get 50% off if you pay for 6 months or if you pay for the year. With the year, you get an additional month for free. If you do want to pay with a card month to month, there is a monthly credit card option. If you look in the description of this video, there's a link to take you directly to the website. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, pullback. The bears are winning. Remember, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 4 days. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom, free Bitcoin. Let's go. Bitcoin weekly chart. Very important that this weekly support level holds from about January the 18th. A lot of people are talking about, this head and shoulders idea. I don't necessarily, you can call it what you want, right? The most important thing is there's a bunch of downside when you start breaking the $30,000 level. 26,600 is a 618 Fibonacci retracement level. Bitcoin likes to bounce there. Below that's 23,400. There's a ton of buyers down here, right? If the buyers can't keep the price above this previous support, then it's time to consider some of these downside price targets. What you don't want to do is focus on a price. Everybody's given prices. Watching YouTube, for me, it's the worst thing in the world when you kind of get stuck on a price because it makes you form a bias, right? And you're going to get fixated on this price and potentially it will hurt you. It's so hard to kind of give these price targets, like long-term price targets, right? Oh, we're going to 48,000 and then we're going to 18,000. And you see, it's real easy to watch these shorter term time frames and just really look at what the price action is doing right now. But what we do know is this is not bullish. Bears are winning here, all right? Bearish market. We're going to zoom in. This is a 1 hour chart. This is a short-term uptrend. Short-term uptrend. What do we always say? Price action is going to continue in the pattern until it doesn't. And it broke to the downside. Technical analysis says that the measure of this distance will give us the target. The measured move target is 29,000. Now, if you look back here, when the price action hit 29,000, the bulls came in and bought it back up. You had this V-shaped recovery, right? Happened real quick. This $32,200 level is holding as support. The 21 simples coming in here, all the major moving averages are going to come down and act as resistance. It's possible that you do get a move here. For this entire idea to be negated as far as downside move, this price target, the bulls would have to push price back up into this pattern. So until that happens, we're looking for a move down here to test the lows. We talked about this in detail a couple videos ago, how this saved me millions of dollars. This happened on the daily chart where we talked about when I saw this lower low, Bitcoin was putting in higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, and then a lower low. Things changed. I exited on this lower high. Pay attention to these ideas. This happened on the 1 hour chart recently where it put in a lower high. When you start to get lower highs and lower lows on any price action in any market, you have to say, hey, you know what? Wait a minute. let me pay closer attention to this price action. July the 5th, I talked to you guys about this exact idea. Bitcoin 2 hour has been putting in higher highs and higher lows. Everything changed with this lower high. Pay attention to the price action based on this idea. You're going to have certain things in this market, and potentially you'll create a trading strategy. Like, you're going to focus on certain things more than others. What happens is we all watch a bunch of YouTube channels, and maybe we're watching a bunch of crypto channels, and you get all these, everything just becomes a bunch of noise, right? And you can't have everything that you listen to and understand carry the same amount of weight, right? You have to have an emphasis on certain things. This is one thing that my trading strategy focuses on. Trend changes begin with lower highs and lower lows. I've got some amazing shout outs in my trading group and from the YouTube comments. This person said, my trading's completely changed. I've finally become profitable. I'm able to scalp $50 to $150 daily using your techniques. And he lives in a country where this is actually a pretty decent size sum of money. Shout out to Christopher Johnson. Saw the KMD setup I gave in a video previously. $540 richer based on that setup. Shout out to Fernando Salazar. Saw the Aave recommendation 2 days ago. 62% profits on one trade. This person reached out. They lost $120,000 on the Bitcoin pullback. Most people lost a tremendous amount of money, right? And so it was good to see he joined the group. He's up $10,000 in a week. Huge. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime. I can make sure you're in the best and most profitable trading setups, period. These are some of the recent trades we've been hitting. 37%, 115%, 47%, 37, 37, 15, 23, 14. Boom. Let's go. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. So the question is, when's this lower low coming? And are we going to get a retest? This would be a bearish retest. So it's really make or break. If the price action does come up here, right, breaks back into the pattern, all this downside stuff is negated. A rejection here, you'd look for more downside. Okay. If the price starts from here and continues lower, level by level, 31,000, 30,000, 29,000 is in the cards. Remember, when Bitcoin is in a downtrend, USDT paired altcoins take losses. They're going to give you a little bit, take more back, give you a little bit, take more back, give you a little bit, take more back. This is a mental game, right? This is the future, right? We're all golden long term. Right now, it's not amazing. Blue blockchain comes out, and they're talking about all these huge short. There's a whale borrowed a total of 5,219 Bitcoin. And this huge whale opened up massive amounts of shorts on Bitfinex. Now, to be fair, Wu Blockchain is like super bear FUD Twitter account, right? Always coming out with something bearish. This person came out and said, well, why don't you tweet about how longs on Bitfinex are near all-time highs, 10 times more longs than shorts? I didn't cover this with you guys, but Elon Musk is at it again. It's kind of a joke in my group where anytime Elon Musk makes tweets, like, we're looking for a move out of Bitcoin. And here, this is from July the 6th. It says, what does the mirror do, Professor? It shows us nothing more or nothing than the deepest, most desperate desire of our hearts. And this was a bunch of green candles. People were like, is this Doge? Obviously, everybody wanted Bitcoin to take off, and it pulled back. But the timing of Elon Musk's tweets is impeccable. I think he has an entire team of technical analysts to help him time the market. I mean, think about it. If they bought $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, yeah, he's got some technical analysts sitting here watching the charts all the time. Right? Don't want to be a late bear to the party, but I do want to introduce you guys to these down tokens. We talked about these in the past. So on Binance, they're just the down tokens, right? They're like low leverage, like 2x. It varies, but like basically about 2x short. Kucoin, they're 3S. 3S. Could you imagine being in an Ethereum short right now, up 28%? Everybody holding Ethereum is down 9%. So I think there's an aspect to this that we have to consider, right? As far as If the market's not moving, I mean, you don't want to be a late bear to the party. All these coins are down. I'm not saying open up a bunch of short positions right now, but if you go to Bitcoin down, there's a lot of bullish ideas. This is an inverted chart of what Bitcoin looks like, right? You got this falling wedge. Essentially, the entry ideas would be a bounce at support or a breakout of this pattern. Best entry would be a move down here to retest this pattern breakout. Remember, we like to buy a retest. That's your best entry. Again, inverted chart of Bitcoin. This plays out. This means Bitcoin's moving lower, and there's bullish ideas on the indicators. This is only a 30-minute chart. Things can change, but again, your best entry idea would be buying at this support level. I'm not saying throw a bunch of money at this. I'm saying practice with small amounts. Anything you do, practice with small amounts. But I think it's helped me kind of look at these patterns and ideas a little bit better. So a lot of people are super bearish right now. This person was talking about this head and shoulders and $19,000 Bitcoin. And you think about that and you're like, freak. Like, you get this number stuck in your head, and then it really affects the way you trade. And so the idea is focus on the immediate price action. Focus what your charts say. I'm telling you guys, get Tradingview. Start playing with it. Start drawing some trend lines. Get used to it. It will change your life, just like it's changed mine. Okay, and I really genuinely want you guys to be super successful in this market. And when you're a holder with super diamond hands, hey, that's one strategy. But you know what? There's a time where riding these downtrends for me is not, it's not part of my strategy. Like, I don't want any part of this. I'll just jump in on some of these altcoins when they're bouncing. I like these oversold bounces, and that's my trading strategy. Cryptocurrency exchange web traffic dropped considerably from May to June. You can see this is going to follow the price of Bitcoin, right? And so understand that things don't look amazing. Again, the bulls want to see price action just move sideways for an extended period of time. A move down here to support, it's not a death sentence, but you start to see a break below 30,000, 29,000. There's cause for concern as far as some more downside. But the bullish idea, again, would be that the price action stays in this range and everything just cools off. And at some point, this thing is going to bounce. We're going to buy into strength, and we're going to make a bunch of money. So be ready for that. You got your USDT on the sidelines. You're ready to go big when it happens. So unless the bulls show up here and do something amazing, then we're looking for downside for Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance. So this is bounced, and altcoins take significant losses when this happens. So what we don't want to see for the altcoins is that this breaks out and starts trending higher. Altcoins will bleed. Altcoins will bleed if this happens. So we want to see a rejection and continuation to the downside, and then we'll see money flow into the altcoins. So this is the on-off switch for trading altcoins. People say that Bitcoin is a leading indicator where potentially Bitcoin pulls back and everybody's looking for this economic downturn. And if you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.